Hey, I'm Max, and this is my submission for the Circles Garage Hackathon. And yes, this is actually not only a submission of the mini app I've built. This is an actually a entire integration of the Circles protocol in our hometown. And yes, I want to make it really quick. So what have I built? I've built a integration of the Circles V2 protocol into our hometown app, which is called the Röbel app. The Röbel app has a social feed and is similar to how big social media apps like work, like Facebook or Instagram. But in this case, this is only for a local community, for local people, and this data is like owned by the town, and we do not want users to who want to read something about the town or get information about the town to go to Facebook or Instagram and then sell all their data and get dopamine addicted to all the other kind of content. So this is why we've built the social feed. We have an explore tab where we list all kinds of stuff the hometown has, like events. We have a local cinema with the cinema program. We have a marketplace. We have restaurants and companies. We have a really cool map where all the companies and the events are displayed. And last but not least, we have a profile page. And the profile page has different kinds of states, like the non-logged in state, a tourist or guest state, a citizen state, and a organization account state. So organization accounts can differ because we have different kinds of organizations. We have companies, we have restaurants, we have clubs, we have parties, and all of these different organization accounts need individual features which we provide. And yes, that's basically it. And the fundamental thing of all this architecture is the citizen verification. So citizen verification happens on chain, but no data gets leaked on chain. So no personal data is like ever on chain. How it works is a citizen requests citizenship, receives a QR code, and then a tester and one citizen needs to sign this QR code on chain, this request on chain, and then the citizen is a verified citizen of our hometown. And this is actually working. Currently, our network citizen graph, as I called it, is growing. So we launched 2 weeks ago. And here you can see the yellow nodes, which are the attesters. Attesters are basically shop owners or people that are actively participating in the town governance, so really trustworthy people. The blue nodes are the citizens that are currently verified, which are 17. And the light blue ones are the current citizens that are requesting citizenship. So why do we actually want to integrate Circles v2? Circles v2 the Circles protocol has a really nice benefit for us because of the Sybil resistance. So here's a table I've created with strengths and weaknesses, and here's a Sybil resistance rate scale, which Claude rated. So yeah, I don't want to go in too deep into this because I want to make it quick. But I see Circles protocol as a second layer on top of our citizen verification chip to actually increase the resistance for our hometown and the entire system. So yes, that is why I've built a mini app, and this is the actual mini app. I have a invite link here, and I display currently some data that might be really interesting. So from the 15 verified citizens, 3 already accepted the Circles invite. So these are like verified citizens that are on the Circles protocol right now. These are the circulating Röbel Circles tokens, so RCRC, which I will talk about later. And this is like a pretty cool graph where citizens that are on the Circles protocol are marked in green. So yes, the mini app has pretty cool features. For example, I can invite newly verified citizens. I already did this, but in the future I want to fully automate this, so I don't need to make this manually. But how it works is like I just sign this with my Circles app. So 1 second. Okay, sign. And then the citizen receives a, yes, the citizen has received an invite, and I already recorded how this will look for the citizen. So this is my brother. I invited him like few hours ago, and yes, in the app he is a verified citizen. He now sees the coins, and if he goes on the page, he will see a call to action button which he can press, and then he accepts the invite I just sent him. So if the invite is accepted, he has like a few cool features he can send and receive. He can also buy loot boxes with the tokens. He has also now he already has a wallet address to share, but now he can share a wallet address, and I can send him funds over my Circles wallet. So a cool thing he can also do is he can move his profile data from the current Röbel app onto the Circles protocol by just toggling this button. So the designs are not final yet, so this is like only first iteration, but this technically works, that the data from the current profiles in the Röbel app get on the Circles protocol. So now it's checked. I have this screenshot also here. Yeah, this was before he got the data on the Circles protocol, and this was afterwards. And yes, sending and receiving money totally works. So I can send him money from my Circles wallet or from inside my Röbel app wallet. So what am I actually sending? So this is pretty cool because we now have a group which includes all the, or like can include all the verified citizens from our hometown. And we have a min policy implemented which says that only citizen NFT holders, so only citizen NFT holders can convert their personal CRC, which they get every hour, into our CRC, which is the hometown token, which is the Röbel Circles token. And this is pretty cool because only the citizens can mint these tokens, but they can send them to any other wallet. And yes, this is a quick demo of how this looks. Actually, in this demo, I'm buying a loot box. I'm not minting, okay. This is a demo where I buy a loot box with the RCLC tokens. And yeah, this loads really long. Yeah, so this needs to get definitely faster. And yes, here the citizen bought a loot box. How does it work? Actually, I've set up a multi-sig wallet which stores funds, which fund a funder hot wallet, which then rewards citizens for different kinds of stuff. So I will go into this later. But for example, if citizens attend an event or something, this funder wallet rewards citizens. Citizens can buy loot boxes, and which then fund the treasury, the multi-signature treasury again. So this is a like digital economy for now, but hopefully we can transition this into the physical economy too. So yeah, this is yeah, this is like the demo where the people mint the RCSC token. Yeah, this takes pretty long. I don't know why. I mean, like, I know why because it's on the protocol, but yeah, maybe we need some design changes that, for example, now a pretty cool animation comes in or something like this. And yeah, this is like minting the tokens. So integrations I can also imagine are rewards for submitting an event, rewards for attending an event by scanning a QR code, which also already works, which I will show later. And referring citizens can give a reward, and casting a vote. So this is like another cool stuff I'm doing. Like, I want to have privacy preserving on-chain governance for my hometown, which is like enabled by Macy v2 and a key split of the single coordinator, but I don't want to get into this too deep as well. So these are like integrations I can also imagine which can extend the digital economy, but maybe I will have some more ideas in the coming days, but these are like the ideas right now. And the QR code creation actually works through the mini app. So this is a demo, which yeah, I can go into yeah, into the mini app and then also have a PDF created. Yes, and when I scan the QR code I just created, so this will be made like in in um, in real life by a club or something, by someone who wants to submit an event. Yeah, this takes actually pretty long. So yes, this is like the reward the citizen receives by scanning the QR code when he attends the event. Yes, pretty cool. Actually, really, really cool. So this is like an extra incentive for people in my hometown to actually visit local events and participate in stuff. Yes, so this is the admin dashboard, which I also have for my hometown, and here the admins can see all the cool data visualizations with all the connections, and this will be also like available for citizens to view. So I don't want to like to only admins have access to this, so I will make this public. And also in the admin dashboard, the admins can manage the rewards. No, the prices for the loot boxes. So yeah, he can increase the prices or decrease the prices of the loot boxes. Actually, that's it. Yeah, I wanted to make it quick. I can go into much more details. And yeah, I'm Max. If you're interested in my project, you can also see my video, which I've made 1 week ago, about imagining, and you can also check out Netizen Labs because this is how I envision the entire like Röbel app scaling to other communities, to other towns, and yeah, happy to participate in the hackathon, and yes, I will go to sleep now.